This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace engine air filter Toyota Rav4 2011. Park on level ground, set brake, and pop the hood to begin. I will guide you through parts, tools, and safe steps to swap the filter quickly. You will learn how to open the air box, remove the old filter, check for debris, and install the new filter for better engine performance and fuel efficiency. Warm welcome. This guide covers the tools and parts you need for a straightforward air filter change. I explain filter selection, how to check part numbers, and what inexpensive tools speed the job. You will see how to prepare the workspace, avoid common mistakes, and confirm the new filter seats correctly. The goal is a cleaner intake, smoother idling, and simple maintenance you can repeat every service interval. Follow these clear steps for a clean, efficient swap that anyone can do at home. I walk you through unclipping the cover, lifting the used filter straight out, and checking the housing for leaves or dust. Next, we install the new filter, align the edges, and secure the cover to restore proper airflow. Expect this job to take just a few minutes and improve throttle response and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.